belajar magar. Kita akan memainkan modern warship coy. Kita akan mencoba map baru coy. Ntar kita lihat rinciannya dulu. Di sini kita bisa mendapatkan helikopter ya coy. Helikopter coy. Tapi helikopternya 0,5% coy. Jadi mari kita coba coy. Oke, cobain. Kita cobain pesawatnya coy. Jalan. Keren. Oke, kita serang musuhnya coy. Apakah kita harus diam di sini supaya mendapatkan A?
Activate passive jamming and launch the flares. Jamming system
Lucu coy.
decoys are ready. Enemy aircraft closing in. ILMD going back to base for reloading.
Masuk ke laut.
Heading 340, half ahead. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Hull breached. We are flooding fast. Engage damage control parties. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Go ahead. Ready for launch. Attack enemy aircraft before they reach their launching points. Ghost 31 reporting. Target hit. Returning to base for resupply. Going back to base. Your target, sir. Approaching fast. We are severely damaged. Take course 160. Half speed ahead. Missile silo 1 reporting. Missile away. Deny enemy advantage of access to electromagnetic spectrum. Missile silos are ready for launch. Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships. Pilot 32 rerouted. Taking course 160. The target has been locked. Ahead, activate again. Launch on enemy missiles. We're prepared for channel launch. We are flooding the low water line. We are under serious enemy fire. I recommend you retreating in order to restore the survivability of the ship. Launch detected. We are requesting negative to attack, sir. We are severely damaged. Hull breached. We are flooding fast. Engage damage control parties. All, sir. Hull breached. We're taking on water quickly. We are flooding the low water line. Radar found a missile heading towards us. Jamming system green. Heat decoys are ready. Hull breach. We're taking on water quickly. Crew, abandon vessel now.
Alah. Oke guys, sekian dulu dari video gua nggak mau nambahin durasi, jadi ya mungkin di sini dulu. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe. Dah.